Today we'll explore implementation ideas for AI Message Edit, a feature that supports AAC users in communicating clearly and confidently. It corrects grammar, sentence structure, and spelling while improving tone, completing messages, and making communication quicker, all while preserving the AAC user's intent. This tool can be used across social, work, and school settings to help AAC users quickly refine their own written messages. For example, AI message editing can support sending a text to a friend or composing an email for work or school. These quick edits keep the user's message and intent intact, while making communication clearer, more natural, and easier to understand. In fast-paced community situations, like ordering food, AI Message Edit helps AAC users quickly refine messages without slowing communication. In addition to AI Message Edit, there is also a creative AI message feature. It can enhance and expand messages, with the AAC user reviewing and editing the final message to ensure it reflects their intent. Beyond everyday communication, AI Message Edit can also support teaching activities by showing what changed and then having the AAC user create a few similar messages using the same pattern. These are just a few ways AI Message Edit can be used. It's a feature designed to help AAC users communicate clearly, confidently, and quickly. Try it during real communication moments and see what you discover. If you found this implementation tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more AAC tips and tricks.